Welcome to our comprehensive guide on how to enable Wi-Fi HQ uploads in X. If you want to ensure your uploads are of the highest quality when shared, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll take you through the step-by-step process. Let's dive in. Step 1. Open the X app on your device. Look for the account icon located at the top right corner of the screen. Simply tap on it to access your account settings. Step 2. Tap on Settings and Support. This will take you to the Settings and Privacy section, where you can manage various aspects of your X experience. Step 3. Inside the Settings and Privacy menu, find and tap on Accessibility, Language, and Display. This is where you can customize the display settings and accessibility features. Step 4. Now, tap on Data Usage. This section allows you to control how X utilizes data for various purposes. Step 5. Within the data usage settings, locate the option labeled High Quality Images Uploads. Tap on it and then select Wi-Fi Only. This ensures that X will upload your images in high quality, but only when connected to a Wi-Fi network. It allows you to conserve mobile data while still maintaining exceptional image resolution. By following these simple steps, you can easily enable Wi-Fi HQ uploads in X, ensuring that your shared content stands out with superior quality. Thank you for watching, and may your uploads in X dazzle with remarkable clarity.